The JBF extension identifies a PaintShop Pro browser cache file storing thumbnail previews for fast image browsing in Corel PaintShop Pro. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you manage or clear these browser cache files. We're going to solve this JBF issue, but first, a general piece of advice. A good universal viewer is a system essential. It provides quick recovery access. My suggestion is found below, and we will revisit later on. JBF files are thumbnail cache files created by Corel PaintShop Pro's built-in file browser. They store small preview images of photos in a folder to accelerate thumbnail loading during browsing. One JBF file is created per folder containing images viewed in PaintShop Pro. PaintShop Pro JBF files are binary thumbnail databases, stored in the same directory as the image files they index. They contain compressed JPEG thumbnail data for each image file in the folder and are automatically regenerated when deleted or missing. An essential utility for interacting with JBF is recognized as Corel PaintShop Pro by Corel Corporation. The file is susceptible to corruption when accessed by standard Windows processes. Windows shows only basic properties, so full use requires tools that understand the index format. We are checking for a viable reader. Right-click your JBF file and select Open with. Use Corel PaintShop Pro if installed. If it's not there, try a different program. We need to find the correct decoder. When your JBF file isn't responding, don't worry, it's typical. Your system failed to open the JBF file. We need to bypass the failure by running these 3 crucial diagnostic steps right now. First, managing JBF files. JBF files are safe to delete if you want to free up disk space. PaintShop Pro will automatically regenerate the JBF cache file the next time you browse that folder. Deleting JBF files will cause a brief delay as thumbnails are rebuilt on next access. Next, excluding JBF from backups. Add JBF files to your backup exclusion list since they are regenerated automatically and do not contain original data. In Windows Backup or third-party backup software, add the JBF pattern to the exclusion list to save backup storage space. Finally, fixing corrupt cache files. If PaintShop Pro displays incorrect thumbnails or crashes when browsing a folder, delete the JBF file in that folder. Close and reopen PaintShop Pro's browser to force regeneration of a fresh thumbnail cache for all images in the affected folder. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. When even the specialized programs couldn't crack the file, the issue is beyond simple fixes. File Magic is the next step. A powerful universal program designed to read the hundreds of formats that frustrate Windows. Find it at filemagic.com. Don't forget to like this video and tap the subscribe button for instant access to future solutions.